What if I told you that the little blue pill you've heard about for diabetes might also be quietly reprogramming how your body ages? Yes, you know metformin as the go-to drug for blood sugar, but new research suggests it can do much more. It may help you age slower, improve energy metabolism, reduce inflammation, and even make your body's cells work younger than they are. Imagine a medication that doesn't just treat a disease, but helps your body resist disease altogether. A pill that fine-tunes your energy use, supports fat loss, and protects your heart and brain as you get older. Today, we're going to uncover how metformin really works, why scientists are calling it the most studied anti-aging drug in the world, and what this means for anyone over 35 who's serious about staying sharp, fit, and strong as the years go by. Because aging is inevitable. Staying healthy is. Warning disclaimer. This video is for education only. We base our content on credible, qualified medical sources. But always talk to your doctor before starting or stopping any medication. Let's begin. Keycap 1 Metformin 101. What it's designed for. Metformin has been around for decades. It's the first-line medication for type 2 diabetes mellitus because it lowers liver glucose production, increases insulin sensitivity, and helps your body use sugar more effectively. In people with diabetes, it's life-saving, reducing complications, lowering risk of heart disease, improving quality of life. But here's the twist. Recent research shows that beyond blood sugar control, metformin triggers biological processes associated with longevity and health span. So the question becomes, could a diabetes drug double as an anti-aging secret? Let's dive deeper. Keycap 2 the longevity signal, what the research shows. Several large observational studies have found that people with diabetes on metformin live longer and have fewer age-related diseases compared to those on other diabetes drugs. For example, one review found metformin use was associated with reduced risks of cardiovascular disease, cancer, and cognitive decline. Key age-related troubles. Yet, it's not a magic fountain of youth. Experts caution that while the signals are promising, evidence in healthy people without diabetes is still limited. What we can say confidently, metformin may increase your health span, the years you stay active and well, even if it doesn't guarantee immortality. Keycap 3 how it might work, the science behind the pill. So, how can one little pill do all this? Let's make it simple. Metformin helps your cells use energy more efficiently. Think of it like upgrading your body's internal battery. It helps your cells pull in just the right amount of fuel and waste less of it. That's why many people on metformin feel a bit steadier with their energy. It also slows down the body's overdrive switch. Normally, our cells are constantly growing, dividing, and repairing, but as we age, that system gets noisy and worn out. Metformin gently taps the brakes on that process, giving your cells more time to repair themselves instead of burning out early. Finally, it reduces the silent damage caused by inflammation and stress inside your body, the kind you don't feel until it shows up as aches, wrinkles, or fatigue years later. By calming that internal fire, your cells last longer and perform better. So when scientists say metformin slows aging, they're really saying it helps your body spend energy smarter, repair faster, and stay calmer from the inside out. But remember, it's not a replacement for good habits. Metformin amplifies healthy living. It doesn't replace it. For who might benefit and who shouldn't? If you already have type 2 diabetes, metformin is usually the first line of defense, and its anti-aging effects are like a bonus you didn't expect. It protects your heart, balances sugar, and helps your body use energy more efficiently over time. But what if you don't have diabetes? That's where things get interesting. Researchers are testing metformin in healthy adults to see whether it can extend lifespan and delay the usual signs of aging, fatigue, weight gain, and inflammation. Early results are exciting, but we're still waiting for the full picture. For now, think of it like this. Metformin may one day be used not just to treat disease, but to prevent it. Still, it's not a one-size-fits-all pill. It should always be discussed with your doctor, especially if you're already healthy or using it for longevity reasons. Ask this: would metformin truly add something beyond what I can get from exercise, diet, and sleep? Because in many cases, the most powerful anti-aging medicine is still the one you control: your daily habits. 5. Metformin and metabolism. Can it boost your burn? Metformin helps your body respond better to insulin, keeping blood sugar steady and preventing that mid-afternoon crash that makes you crave snacks. Because of this, some people notice their weight finally stabilizes or even drops a little without extreme diets. It doesn't melt fat overnight, but it helps your metabolism work the way it used to. It's like tuning up your engine. Your body burns cleaner fuel and wastes less energy. But let's be real, this isn't a magic weight loss pill. It works best when you move, eat well, and sleep right. Think of metformin as a quiet boost under the hood. Your lifestyle is still the driver's seat. So how do you approach this? By asking smart questions. If you're thinking about metformin for diabetes or for longevity, come prepared with smart questions. Ask your doctor, is this safe for me long term? Will we check my B12 and kidney health regularly? Can lifestyle alone still get me the same results? If I'm using this for prevention, what's proven and what's still experimental? The goal isn't just to take a pill, it's to understand it. When you partner with your doctor, you turn treatment into strategy, not guesswork. Let's recap. Metformin started as a diabetes drug. Now, it's the star of aging research, helping the body use energy better, reduce inflammation, and possibly extend health span. It's not a miracle, but it's a clue, proof that biology can be tuned even after 35. For the right person, it can be a smart ally in staying sharper, leaner, and more resilient as the years go by. Knowledge is your best medicine. Start there. If this helped you see metformin differently, drop a comment saying, "Age smart." Hit like and subscribe for more science-backed ways to feel stronger, look younger, and live longer naturally. Because your body isn't breaking down. It's waiting for you to catch up to how it really works. Stay curious. Stay strong.